It is normal that when we have a spreadsheet and even where we have a chart represented, we still add data or concepts later, adding, for example, data from subsequent years. Or for example, in this case, adding the concept savings, that is the difference between the income and the consumption. In these cases, it may or may not be the case that I want to incorporate the new data that I have added to the chart. We can always do this since by clicking on the chart, it is formatted exactly as we want it. So in the Design tab, we have that when selecting data, it is very easy to incorporate, since the traffic data range, we originally told the chart to incorporate, which are all of these that we have here. But now it is very straightforward to incorporate savings from the year 75. These are the new data set. So we see that indeed here, in the set that it is going to include in the legend, will be income and consumption and also now savings. When we hit Accept Give automatically, it will incorporate this data. We see that indeed in some cases the savings are negative, where consumption was higher than income. In short, with the chart completed, we will have tools enough to incorporate any new data that we might add, that we might generate using our spreadsheet or new data collection. We will also be able to keep on incorporating them into the chart too.